Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Adarsh Anapareddy. I am an orthopedic surgeon and joint replacement surgeon at Sunshine Hospitals. And today we'll be talking about one of the most common problems that we encounter on a daily basis in the orthopedic OP, that is knee pain. Knee pain is not something that only affects the older people, it also affects younger people, but the causes of the pain are different in the older age group and the younger age group. So to understand knee pain, we need to understand the structure of the knee joint in the first place. So the knee joint looks like this. It consists of two bones, that is the femur bone, thigh bone. The lower bone is leg bone, also known as the tibia. And in between you have the main joint itself. Now this blue thing that you can see over here, this smooth area, is known as the cartilage. It is like the shock absorber of the joint. And if you see in between, you have these two rubber-like things known as the meniscus. And in between these two bones, you have something known as the ACL or the ligament, which you can see over here. Why does knee pain happen in the older age group? In the older age group, what happens is, this cartilage is like the tire of a car. When you keep driving a car, the tires start to wear out. So the same thing happens with age. The cartilage starts to wear out as well, and it starts to look like this. So what happens is, normally when there's supposed to be this much of gap between the bones, and then the cartilage starts to wear out, the gap starts to reduce, and the bones start to rub, causing the pain. This is known as arthritis or osteoarthritis. This happens usually in an older age group at above 50 years of age. What are the causes of knee pain in the younger age group? So one thing is known as chondromalacia. This is a very common problem that we see in, especially in IT professionals and people who are sitting at a desk job from morning till evening. What happens there is the cartilage doesn't wear out, but what happens is it becomes soft. There is a lubricant in the knee joint known as the synovial fluid, and that starts to get jammed as well. That's why the pain usually occurs when the person gets up after sitting for a long time. When they're sitting at the desk for more than an hour or so and they get up, the pain increases. This is known as chondromalacia. This is a very reversible problem. It can be easily tackled with just physiotherapy exercises and making sure that the knee joint is moved every hour. So when you're sitting at the desk, put an alarm, make sure that you get up and move around for 5 minutes and sit again. Another cause of knee pain in the younger age group are sports injuries. So this basically, an injury can happen because of a twisting movement of the joint, of the knee joint, either while playing sports or while dancing or due to any activity which causes twisting of the joint. Sports which are usually associated with ligament injuries or meniscus injuries are football, badminton and basketball. So what happens in these sports injuries? This meniscus over here can get caught in between the two bones and get torn. A bit of the meniscus can get torn. That's one thing. Another injury is the tear of the ligament itself. So this is the anterior cruciate ligament between the two bones, and this basically acts like a stabilizer of the joint. And sometimes in twisting injuries, this ligament can get snapped. So what are the symptoms apart from pain when you have a sports injury? If you have a meniscus injury, when that torn part comes in between the two bones, the knee can get locked in that position and it may not be able to move. And for a ligament injury, because that is a stabilizer of the joint, the stabilizer is lost. Therefore, while walking, the person may feel an instability and fall down. So because the bones which is supposed to be held by the ligament are no longer being held, so they can be moving back and forth without any stabilization. So people with ACL injuries may feel scared to cross the road because they may feel that they may fall down in the middle of the road. These are the symptoms of sports injuries. Another cause of knee pain in a younger age group is rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. It doesn't happen to everyone, but some people have this disorder, and this affects all the joints of the bodies, like the fingers, the toes, the knee joints, and even the hip joint as well. This has to be tackled by a rheumatologist who prescribes medicines for these problems. But in the severe stages, when the joint is already destroyed, they may require surgeries at a younger age. So these are the different causes of knee pain in the older age group and the younger age group as well.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.